Parallel parking driving test lesson. Signal to the right, check the mirror and the right shoulder or blind spot. Pull up alongside this vehicle no more than 2 feet or half a meter. Back bumper to back bumper. Make a complete stop. Place the gear selected to be reversed. 3/4 revolution of the steering wheel to the right, so the 12 and 6. Hold the wheel like this, check around, then you back up. Just keep checking like crazy. When the front of the vehicle is in line with the back bumper, but of course at an angle, you stop like there. Get all the turns into the left and just keep going in until the car is straight. And in the meantime, you know you're checking the front and the back all the way in until it is straight. Place the gear selected to drive, straighten the wheel, clock, then clock again, and then you inch up. That's it. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, and you're done. That's it for parallel parking. This is how you would perform during the driving test. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.